Hello, guys. Hey there, welcome back. If you're looking to keep her thinking about you long after the conversation ends, you're in the right place. Tonight, we're diving into 5 powerful goodnight messages that will leave a lasting impression on her and keep her excited to talk to you again. These messages aren't just simple goodnights, they're playful, mysterious, and designed to plant ideas that she'll carry with her into her dreams. So let's get started. But before we diving in video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon and join our community. Message 1. Sleep tight, but don't be surprised if I sneak into your dreams tonight. This one is all about confidence with a dash of flirtation. By suggesting that you might appear in her dreams, you're adding a fun, playful twist to a simple wish for a good night's sleep. You're not just saying goodnight, you're planting a little seed in her head that she might just dream about you. And, of course, that opens up a conversation the next day where she'll likely tell you if it actually happened, keeping the connection alive. It's subtle, but powerful enough to keep her curious and entertained as she drifts off to sleep. Message 2. I hope you sleep like a queen tonight, but just remember, if you dream about me, I won't judge. This message is a mix of humor and charm. By calling her a queen and wishing her a peaceful night, you're already giving her a positive vibe. But the real kicker is that little tease at the end. You're playfully suggesting that if she dreams about you, it's no big deal, implying that there's a special connection between the two of you. This creates a sense of intimacy without being overly forward. It's fun, it's flirty, and it will definitely make her smile before she goes to bed. Message 3. Good night, and just so you know, I'll be looking forward to our next conversation already. This one is simple, but leaves a lasting impression. By saying you're already looking forward to the next conversation, you're hinting at the fact that there's more to discover between you two. It shows that you're genuinely interested in her thoughts and company. It's not overly pushy or intense, just a casual yet sincere way of letting her know she's on your mind and that you're eager to continue connecting with her. Plus, it leaves her with something to think about as she falls asleep. Her curiosity about your next chat will linger throughout the night. Message 4. Sleep well and dream big, but if those dreams include me, I won't be mad about it. This message has a light, carefree tone that still packs a punch. You're wishing her sweet dreams, which is always a kind gesture. But then you throw in that little hint that if she dreams about you, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's a playful and nonchalant way to make her think about you as she falls asleep, without being too intense. It's flirtatious, but it also leaves her with a smile and a thought to chew on. The beauty of this message is that it's not too direct, but still manages to make her feel special and appreciated. Message 5. Good night. If you find yourself awake later, don't hesitate to message me. I'll be here thinking about you. This one is a little more intimate without being overwhelming. You're giving her the option to reach out if she's awake and thinking, and you're letting her know that you're thinking about her too. This message feels warm, caring, and open. It gives her the space to connect with you without pressure, but still implies that you're there, ready to engage. It's the kind of message that makes her feel secure and appreciated. And who knows, she might just take you up on that offer and start a late-night conversation. And there you have it, 5 goodnight messages that aren't just about saying goodnight, but about keeping her on your mind even as she drifts off to sleep. These messages spark curiosity, flirtation, and the anticipation of future conversations, leaving her excited to hear from you again. The key is to keep things light, playful, and a little mysterious. This way, you're never forgotten. Try these out next time you wish her a good night and watch how your connection grows. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, good luck with your relationships. If the like with you and subscribe my channel.